I finally decoded a secret formula that the top 1% of traders use to make real money with TradingView indicators. Today, I'm exposing one of their biggest secrets, a buy-sell indicator that's so accurate. It almost feels unfair. Combined with a next-gen hidden filter, it delivers mind-blowing results in backtests. Watch the video without skipping to learn the indicator names and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Quant Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. With that, let's dive into a hidden gem we found and build a strategy that prints crazy profits every day. This indicator is a dynamic trend-following tool that uses exponential moving deviation to create adaptive channels around a chosen moving average. Crafted for traders who prioritize responsive trend signals. With built-in volatility awareness, this tool highlights directional bias, market regime changes, and potential breakout setups. The indicator is extremely easy to use. When it comes to the trading rules, when the price breaks above the upper band, the EMD trend mainline becomes green, signaling a long entry. Boom! The price moved up dramatically, and we secured around $500 in profit within just a few hours. In a bearish setup, when the price falls below the lower band, the EMD trend mainline changes its color to red, allowing us to go short. Voila! The indicator was good at predicting the bear market as well, delivering over $450 in profit from a single trade. To add this insane trend tool, open the Indicators tab. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Search for EMD trend and choose the following option. However, as with many indicators, ranging markets can often produce multiple false signals. Many traders face this because they struggle to find the optimal settings and the right confirmation filter. That's why we developed the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, allowing you to backtest any indicator in under 60 seconds. Simply open the settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, select a parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the same steps for the sell signals. And here are the backtesting results so that we can play with the settings and find the one that leads to the best performance. With that, go to the Inputs tab, where you'll find the following parameters available for adjustment. First, we have the average type, which lets you choose from a range of moving averages such as SMA, EMA, HMA, and DEMA. So, choose the EMA here. Next is the average length, which smooths the moving average. Higher values produce fewer signals, while lower values generate more. Set this parameter to 30. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, Quant Algo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. Finally, we have the EMD multiplier that controls the width of the deviation envelope. Adjust the value to 1.65 here. And boom, here's the difference in the EMD trend indicator's performance using default settings versus optimal settings. And it's a significant one. Now let's move forward and combine it with a new trading filter, known only to the top 1%, to further enhance performance. The confirmation filter we used is a custom-built trend analysis tool that blends classic market oscillators with advanced normalization, advanced math functions, and Arnaud-Lagou smoothing. Unlike conventional indicators, this tool aggregates market momentum, volatility, and trend strength. With that, to validate a buy signal from the EMD trend indicator, the Alta area should be green and should not exceed the 0.7 threshold. Likewise, to confirm a sell signal from the EMD trend indicator, the Alta area should be colored red and be above the -0.7 level. Bingo! Notice how effectively this trading filter eliminated countless false signals during the sideways market. To integrate this magic filter, open the Indicators tab, type Trend Aggregator, and add it to your chart. We'll be unveiling its optimal settings shortly, so stay tuned. At this point, let's examine the strategy's live performance and go over the backtesting results. Here's Solana, a 15-minute time frame. First, the EMD trend mainline turns green, signaling a buy entry. Next, the Alta area is green and stays below the 0.7 level, giving us confirmation. We place the stop below the latest low and target a take profit with a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Bingo! The price skyrocketed, smashing our target. Here's gold, a 5-minute time frame. As can be seen, the EMD trend mainline becomes red, indicating a short entry. Next, the ALTA area has a red color and remains above the negative 0.7 level so that we can go short immediately. We set a stop above the latest high and apply the same RR ratio. Boom! We ended up with solid profits here. For now, let's return to our backtesting results. Again, here are the results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame using only the first indicator with optimal settings. We're seeing an impressive win rate of nearly 66% and an exceptional net profit of 400%. However, the max drawdown is relatively high at around 35%. So, let's apply our powerful trading filter. Go to the Builder settings, where the Alta filter is now integrated, then set the ATR to 2, the RSI length to 58, and the BB length to 1. Moving on, change the D length to 27th, and adjust the MACD length to 8. Finally, set the ALMA length to 210, and turn on the filter. Boom! We boosted the win rate to 73% and reduced the max drawdown to a record low of just 8%. Moreover, we maintained an outstanding net profit of 360%, with 8 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses. The equity curve is equally impressive. Now, let's leverage Quant Builder's built-in filters to enhance the results even further. Open the settings, and we'll focus solely on using the momentum filter. So, change the trend sensitivity to short, update the length to 70, and set the noise length to 2. Voila! Our win rate skyrocketed to an incredible 82%. The max drawdown stayed near record lows, and we locked in a strong profit of nearly 240% from just 46 trades. And now we've achieved 9 consecutive winning trades versus just 2 in a row on the losing side. As usual, the buy and hold approach was completely outperformed. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.